Established in 2017, ZC Lighting is a leading LED lighting manufacturer and lighting solution provider, headquartered in Guangming District, Shenzhen, China. Covers an area of 12,000 square meters, with ISO 9001 backed manufacturing and ISO 14001 backed manufacturing. We achieve accelerated growth within an international standardized framework. From our first breakthrough in 2017 to today's global footprint, each milestone marks our dedication to pushing boundaries. With nearly 10 years of specialized LED manufacturing excellence, ZC Lighting has become a trusted global provider of premium industrial and commercial LED light fixtures and lighting solutions. Design, develop, deliver. OEM-grade execution meets ODM creativity. One trusted solution for all lighting needs. Our LED light fixtures are built to last in stadiums like football fields, streets, tunnels, warehouses, ports, etc. around the globe, including North America and South America, Europe and the Middle East, Southeast Asia and Australia, etc. With comprehensive services and reliable quality, we are trusted and valued by 200 plus clients from 45 countries. Innovation is at the heart of our DNA. With an annual R&D budget of over $200,000, we lead lighting technology forward, powered by a team of 16 plus skilled engineers. We provide you with professional lighting design and lighting project solutions. In our state-of-the-art facility, we put every LED system through its pace. Our products meet the highest industry benchmarks, with certifications including ETL, UL, DLC, CE, RoHS, CB, and compliance reports, including TM21 report, SGS report, ENEC, etc. With multiple dedicated production lines and a streamlined inspection line, we use professional equipments and workers with years of relevant work experience. Make every product with care. Our new state-of-the-art stadium lighting production line combines advanced automation with rigorous quality control to deliver LED fixtures built for superior performance, durability and sustainability. Each raw material, every accessory, every LED fixture, all have undergone necessary rigorous testing to ensure flawless quality and ensure on-time delivery. Our large, well-organized warehouse, with monthly capacity up to 100 containers, is always ready to keep us moving smoothly, and we did it. We achieved rapid and stable growth. And we're increasing R&D investment by 20% to lead the future. And we offer customers more convenient choices in logistics, tailored to their unique needs for efficiency and cost savings. And as always, we regularly showcase our products at international trade fairs. We bring ourselves closer to you and our 6 core values. Help us gain more and more customers and lighting projects. We continuously innovate, adhere to long-termism, and delve deeply into the field of indoor and outdoor commercial and industrial lighting, creating LED lighting fixtures and lighting solutions that combine cutting-edge technology with uncompromising quality for global customers.